Rodin Soft Reline Kit, a universal reline that offers a convenient chairside solution as a silicone-based cartridge system. To begin the reline process, gather the complete reline kit, which includes primer, swabs, mixing tips, silicone cartridge, and necessary finishing tools. Follow the included IFU for proper workflow guidance. Step 1. Prep denture. Start by using the greenstone to smooth the peripheral flanges, enhancing patient comfort. Next, treat the intaglio surface using the brown polishing wheel. Clean the treated surface thoroughly with compressed air. Step 2. Prime the intaglio surface. Apply a generous layer of primer to the internal surface. Wait for 5 minutes for the primer to dry. 2 coats are recommended for optimal bonding between the soft reline material and the denture base. Step 3. Apply the soft reline material. Dispense the soft reline material directly onto the primed surface. Be careful not to create air bubbles when applying. This can be done on a model or intraorally. The material will set within approximately 5 minutes. Final step, finishing and delivery. Once set, remove the denture and carefully trim any excess material. Perform final polishing and smoothing with the greenstone and polishing wheel. The denture is now ready for clinical delivery. Thanks for watching.